Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Allyz app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Allyz is a digital travel companion app developed by Allianz partners, designed to make traveling safer, easier, and more organized. The app provides features like real-time travel alerts, itinerary management, emergency support, medical and insurance services, and access to airport lounges. It also includes destination guides, local safety tips, and quick access to emergency contacts, making it a comprehensive tool for frequent and casual travelers alike. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users find Allyz helpful for staying informed about travel disruptions and accessing emergency support on the go. The app's interface is easy to navigate, and its safety-focused features, like medical assistance and insurance integration, provide peace of mind. Travelers also appreciate the added perks such as lounge access and destination insights, which enhance the overall travel experience. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users note that certain features are locked behind premium subscriptions, and the availability of services like lounge access or medical support can vary by country. Additionally, occasional bugs and login issues have been reported, which may affect reliability during critical travel situations. In summary, the Allyz app may be worth using if you want an all-in-one travel assistant that combines safety, convenience, and extra perks like lounge access. However, if you're looking for a completely free solution or need guaranteed global availability of all features, it might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.